Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many Excel users face when trying to sum values from a table using dynamically generated references. The issue at hand involves concatenating row and column references in separate cells and then matching and summing the intersecting values. It's a common headache for many users, but fear not, as we have a solution ready to go. In the previously provided solution, we introduced a fresh approach to solving the problem. The key to unlocking the correct sum lies in utilizing a formula that leverages the choose calls, choose rows, XMATCH, and TEXTSPLIT functions. By strategically combining these functions and referencing the specific cells containing the concatenated row and column headers, we can accurately sum the intersecting values. The formula provided, which begins with equals sum and ends with BO1, BQ1, encapsulates this approach and paves the way for a successful outcome. To summarize, we've delved into a challenging Excel problem involving dynamically generated references and successfully proposed a solution that elegantly addresses the issue. By incorporating a carefully crafted formula, we were able to sum the desired intersections with precision and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And remember, Excel may have its quirks, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can conquer any problem that comes your way. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks,